Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the Django admin page. So what is the Django admin page? The Django admin is a built-in web-based interface that lets you manage your application's data easily. It automatically provides create, read, update, and delete functionality for your models without writing extra code. And why do we need the Django admin? So first of all, we need it to manage our database through a clean UI, no need for raw SQL or backend code. We can easily create, edit, and delete entries, and we can test our models and workflows during development. And we save time by avoiding building a custom dashboard early on. Okay, so let's proceed with how to set up and customize the Django admin page. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a super user. So you need an admin account to log in. So I did this already. So I'm not going to enter this, but you just have to enter this where the manage.py file is located. So if I go into, or if I open Visual Studio Code, so we see that I'm here. So I already activated the virtual environment called Django_env. And if I do a dir, I see that the manage.py is in this directory. So let me clear the screen. Okay, so this is where you need to enter this command, and you need to input your username, email address, and password. And the next step is to start your server. And this is the command. So Python space .py runserver. So that's how you run the server. And then you can just click this link here or URL. So starting development server at, I'm going to click it. So this is the home page of the development server. I'm going to actually go to the admin page. So to do that, admin, type admin or /admin. And this is the username that I created. So the username is admin and the password. Okay, so looks like there is already a model created here, but I'm going to, I can still show you how I did it. So the next step is to register your model in this file, admin.py. So to manage your models via the admin page, register them. So you open this file here, blog, which is the app name, in the admin.py, and add this code here. So let me do that. So go to blog admin. Yeah, so I already have this here. So let me just actually delete that, actually delete everything, and just copy and paste this code here. Okay. And now if I go to the admin page, see what happens. Refresh. So nothing much happened. But we see that there is a model called posts, right? And we can verify that by going to here. So this is a model, right? So post called post, which is this. This is the table, by the way. Yeah, so if I go back here to refresh. Okay, so the next step is to customize how models appear. So now this is how our model appears, right? So we can customize it. So we only see the name of the table, which is post, which is what we got here in the model, right? Post. Yeah, so now we can actually customize it. And this is the code. So let me just copy and paste this code and paste this in the admin file and see what happens. So you see here that the server is automatically reloading or refreshing in the background. So let me just go back here and see what happened. Yeah, now we see that there is title created at, and we have the filter, which is what search search fields. Add search bar for titles. Show title and creation date. Add filter by date created. Yeah, this one. So that's how you can customize the admin, how your admin panel looks. And the next step is to customize the admin site titles. So yeah, the header, we can customize the header, title, and index title. So to do that, we can copy and paste this code here. And then we need to add this in the admin file and see what happens. So now, if I don't refresh it, we see that the header is Django administration, right? And then the site title is just regular, this Django site admin. And then there is no welcome page. Now I did refresh it and we see the header, my blog admin, and there is a index title which says welcome to the blog admin area, right? And we see that the title has changed also. If I can show it, yeah, blog admin portal. That's how you can use and customize the Django admin page. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.